Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the classifications of amino acids. There are different classifications of amino acids. So we have the nutritional classification of amino acids, we have the structural classification of amino acids, and we have the metabolic classification of amino acids. So let's start with the nutritional classification of amino acids. As you all know, amino acids make up proteins, and proteins are essential for our daily life. So there are these amino acids that are essential for our body, meaning we need to take them from food. Why? Because our body cannot synthesize them on their own. So we need to take them from the environment. These are called essential amino acids. Then we have non-essential amino acids. So non-essential means we don't need to take them from the environment or from food. The amino acids that we have already taken, which are essential, can be used to synthesize these ones, or they can be interconverted from other sources. So we have essential amino acids and we have non-essential amino acids. So there are a lot of mnemonics available on the internet about the essential amino acids. So for the purpose of this lecture, I'll be using the most common mnemonic used in this classification for the essential amino acids. So we have PVT Tim Hall. PVT Tim Hall. With the H and the A with asterisks. So we have P, V, T, Tim Hall. So the P represents phenylalanine. The V is valine. The T is threonine. The other T is tryptophan. I is isoleucine. The M is methionine. The H is histidine. The A is arginine. L is leucine. And the other L, lysine. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 essential amino acids. Please note, T, remember we also have another amino acid which we call tyrosine. Maybe you may forget and think the other T is tyrosine. Remember, tyrosine is like phenylalanine with an OH group. That should tell you that we can get tyrosine from phenylalanine, which doesn't make it essential. So tyrosine is out of the picture. Why are we having histidine and arginine with asterisks? These two amino acids are said to be semi-essential amino acids, meaning even though our body can synthesize it, but our body does not synthesize it in sufficient amount. Others say, well, because adults can synthesize it readily, while children need it the more. So for children, it is essential for them. For adults, it's not that essential for us. But for children or for pregnant women or people who are recovering from trauma, these amino acids are essential for them. That's why we classify them as semi-essential amino acids. So the non-essential amino acids are the remaining amino acids that we have, which are the remaining 10 amino acids, which are proteinogenic amino acids. Proteinogenic because they can be found in proteins and they are responsible for building our body. So these are the 10 essential amino acids. The remaining amino acids are said to be non-essential because our body can synthesize them readily from other precursors. For example, we have tyrosine. Tyrosine can be synthesized from phenylalanine. For example, we have glycine. Glycine can be synthesized from serine, even though serine also is said to be non-essential. So we can get the other amino acids from either the essential amino acid or from the non-essential amino acids.